So I didn't think it was gonna work, but here we go. And all 3 modes work as well. I had really, really bad pressure here. Check that out. I can actually feel it on me now. Great, let's see. Feels awesome. There you go. That's the last one. I don't know if you can see, but or hear it, it's hitting hard. And then this is the middle one. There we go. So you got a little bit of both. And it just feels great. This is awesome. Love it.
This is the wind tunnel that it creates for shower liner. So the entire shower you will be fighting with your shower liner because it will overtake the tub. Also, the settings, no matter which one I click it to, it remains the same. Spray.
So here's my shower before. See, I have no room. It just goes right there and I'm close. And here's my shower now. Look at the distance. It's actually in the middle now. I am digging it. Love it!
Amazing shower. It's worth the price. Great quality.